Hello, this is Harmeet Kaur from Divine Healing. This is the official page from where I work. I am a tarot, angel, and a Lenormand card reader, a numerologist, a crystal therapist, and an angel therapist. And I deal in number, chakra, and card healings. And remedies for various issues in life are given through crystals, number cards, and chakra healings. And recently I have started my group in the name of Divine Blessings, where all things related to spirituality and various modalities are shared there. Tips are also shared to bring, write-ups are shared to bring changes in your life. And you can even like my page Divine Healing, which is my official page from where I work. And I have even recently made my public page in the name of Harmeet Kaur. So whoever want to join that page, you can even like that page to know the future updates about my work and whatever I do. So this is basically a video to give you guidance for the month of May 2020. What it holds for each zodiac, and these are generalized guidance. For personalized guidance, you can contact me on my number 983 777 as I do most of my work online on calls, or even you can contact through my page Divine Healing. The Divine spells DIIVINE. So you can contact me through that also. So now one by one I'll be taking out guidance for each zodiac for the month of May 2020. The first guidance is for Aries, people who are born between March 21st to April 20th are called as Arians. So first guidance for them for the month of May is through tarot cards. Arians, I feel whatever you have made, and you were about to move away from all that, okay, and you tried to move in one direction, but which was not possible. But somebody from your past, maybe a close friend or maybe some relative, may help you in the coming future to deal over this situation, and whatever you wanted to fulfill or complete, that will be accomplished in the month of May. So be very positive about it, as things would unfold in a very good way in the coming month of May. The next guidance is for Taurians. Taurians are the people who are born between April 21st to May 28th. Taurans, the guidance for you is that maybe something you have wished about has not come true, or it may not be fulfilled in the coming future in the month of May, and you are confused between two things, and because of that you'll be in a very confusing state, and you are in a situation you have given up because you are fed up of fighting with your situations. So this situations may come into your life in the month of May, but still, if you get the guidance, just try to work on things so that you can improve your situation. The next guidance is for Geminis. Geminis are the people who are born between May 21st to June 21st. Guidance for Geminis for the month of May is Gemini, the guidance for you is that you are going through a lot of emotional stress, okay, but the situations are not that bad as you consider. It is your own it is your own thought process that is making you negative, okay, and you are always in a situation to give something to somebody. But in this situation, I think so that thing is also out of balance in your life, and something new or something new you were supposed to start or any there would be some misunderstanding in your relationships also. And if we go by the reading, if we take a relationship reading with the cards, because of your own inner confusion, and you are either a giver or taker in this in the situation, but you have lost out of the situation, and something which any friendship or relationship which was started, that will also have some issues in your life. The next guidance is for Cancerian. Cancerian are the people who have been born between June 22nd to July 22nd. So the guidance for Cancerian for the month of May is Cancerian, the guidance is that month of May, maybe any such situations have happened in your life which were beyond your control, and actually you won't be able to move out of it, and something which you thought will achieve something, you'll be victorious in any maybe in any relationship, or maybe in any work or something, that would also not be possible. And even the chances of it getting better in the month of May are it's not there. So just take into consideration what you has been going through. The next guidance is for Leos. Leos are the people who are born between July 23rd to August 23rd. Leos, the guidance for you for the month of May 2020 is Leos. I feel you are going through some emotional issues and psychological issues, but I feel right now you will be able to come back from it. Yeah, you will be able to get over it, and you need to be very polite in the coming month, and you need to take care of yourself and the whole family, and whatever support you expected from your family, mostly money wise and health wise, that you will definitely get in the month of May. Next guidance is for Virgos. Virgos are the people who are born between August 24th to September 23rd. The guidance for Virgos for the month of May is Virgos. The guidance for you is that there can be travel into your life with the lockdown. As of now, I don't. Maybe it can be a travel related to your thinking or your spiritual thinking, or it can be even a change in your office place, or even in your workplace, or in your house. But at this time, you have become very stingy or in control of your money matters, and something which you thought to open, or some sort of celebration in your house can be cancelled or will not be possible because of the situations that are there in your life. The next guidance is for Librans. Librans are the people who are born between September 24th to October 23rd. The guidance for Librans for the month of May is Librans, the guidance for you is that you'll try to recover from the situations you were facing, and actually you need to halt down and study what is required. Basically, you need to take out some time for yourself, so the stress or the busy schedule you are going out, you are busy with, you will be able to heal from that. But you may be doing something, though you are a very person who goes by the society rule, or who's a very spiritual person, but at this time maybe you may take some decisions or something that won't be in the way, or that will benefit you. But on the whole, something will be completed in your life, and a cycle may be finished, and whatever you want may be accomplished in the month of May. The next guidance is for Scorpios are the people who are born between October 24th to November 22nd. Guidance for October for Scorpions for the month of May is Scorpions maybe some sort of some fraud or something that though that may happen or has happened will come into your notice. Okay, and in this situation you need to be very you need to handle it very nicely, okay, and cleverly, taking in consideration your intuitions, okay, and maybe you can get a help of a person, any healer or any person who can guide you. It can be any person related to spirituality, and in the coming month you need to work very hard for getting things done in your life. The next guidance is for Sagittarius. Sagittarius are the people born between November 23rd to December 21st. Guidance for Sagittarius for the month of May is Sagittarius. The guidance for you is that maybe you have spent lot of time and energies of yours in some project or into a situation or into a relationship, and you might be on the verge of giving up, or you might be having this feeling whatever you put in, you doesn't get that much in return. But the guidance is that maybe things are not as such as of now, but don't give up, as situation may improve in the coming future. And you need to be very grounded, okay, and very loving and caring for your close one. So you need to nurture everyone around yourself, and there are bright chances of whatever you want that can be fulfilled in the month of May. The next item is for Capricorns. Capricorns are the people who are born between December 22nd to January 28th. Guidance for Capricorns for the month of May is Capricorns. The guidance may be that maybe you have taken some guidance from people who are senior to you, but you were not able to take or follow that, or you were misled by themselves. But there would be a chance or opportunity from some third person. It can be related to relationship or love also, but whatever may come may but I feel you will be not able to materialize it, and it will you will lose that opportunity in the month of May. The next guidance is for Aquarians. Aquarians are people who are born on January 21st to February 18th. Between Aquarians, the guidance for you for the month of May is Aquarians. I feel कि month of May will be very good for you financially. Whatever you want or you desire, you have or you will have. But still, you are sad, or you will find you will try you will feel sad or depressed. The reason is that because you will keep on the things that you have lost, instead of finding a way or looking at things which you still have. Situations are not that bad as you consider, and because of this attitude, you will be in lot of stress, and some may be into some sort of depression also. So the guidance is that whatever is there, whatever positive things are there into your life, to concentrate on them rather than anything negative which is giving you so much of stress. The next guidance is for Pisces. Pisces are the people who are born between February 19 to March 20th. Since I feel something related to work will start, and it will there would be changes, a positive change and positive movement in your life related to work, and something which you were planning to open would be possible, or there can be some sort of celebration in your house. It can be an engagement, it can be a marriage, or it can be opening of something you want to open in the month of May. That would be possible. So the cards are very good for Pisces for the month of May. So these were the guidance for the 12 zodiac. If you like the video, please share it with your loved ones, and do subscribe my YouTube channel, which is in the name of Divine Healing, so you can get further notifications of whichever videos are uploaded on it. And for these were generalized guidance for the month of May 2020. For personalized sessions, you can contact me on my number 983-777-0092, or even you can contact me through my page Divine Healing, which is my Facebook page. So thank you so much guys. Stay tuned for the next video.